Welcome the our channel. Today we how to set up Arlo base station, quick fix step by step clearly. Begin by unpacking your Arlo base station from its box. Ensure that you have all components, the base station, power adapter, and Ethernet cable. Place the base station in a central location in your home for optimal connectivity. Plug the power adapter into the base station and then into a wall outlet. Connect one end of the Ethernet cable to the base station and the other end to your router. Wait for the power LED on the base station to turn solid green. Download the Arlo app on your smartphone or tablet from the App Store or Google Play. Open the Arlo app and create an account or log in if you already have one. Tap on the Add Device option in the app. Select base station from the list of devices. Follow the on-screen prompts to pair the base station with your account. When prompted, press the sync button on the base station. Wait for the LED indicators on the base station to confirm a successful connection. Once synced, you can now add your Arlo cameras to the base station. Follow the in-app instructions to set up your cameras. Position the cameras where you want them and ensure they are within range of the base station. Your Arlo base station is now set up and ready to use. Make sure to regularly check for firmware updates in the app to keep your system running smoothly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.